Hi friends, and welcome back to The Nest. It's me, Takisha, and I am so happy that you're able to join me again for another session. So if this is your first time here, welcome. This is my home studio that I call The Nest because it is nested within my home. And this is where I share practices and classes with the women in my immediate community. But I am so happy to be able to welcome you into this space from wherever you are in the world. So in our session today, I really wanted to share a sound practice with you that I have really grown to love over the last couple of years. So one of my teachers and mentors, spiritual mentors, shares through sound healing, and I really found that it was an opportunity for me to become even more present, to really experience the vibrations of the sound. And there's something about reverberations and the energy of sound that is created from these bowls that really bring you outside, like from outside of yourself to the inside. Right? So I wanted to share that with you today. And if you have the ability to find a comfortable seat or lie down or just get comfortable and cozy wherever you are, and possibly close your eyes if you are in an environment to do so. Obviously, again, if you are driving, I do not want you to be in any danger. But if you do have the ability to find some stillness in your face, in your body, and in your eyes, I invite you to do that now. So again, the sound that I will be sharing with you today is from my root and heart chakra bowls. And these are the bowls that I play together when there is a challenge of boundaries and when there is a need to connect to the strength within me, my own boundaries, and if I've just kind of been feeling a little frazzled, if my memory's kind of been askew, if I've had a hard time sleeping, if I'm just feeling very airy instead of grounded and stable and settled and solid. These are the bowls that I bring together to help bring me back into myself, into my confident, stable, and supported self. So take a nice deep breath in wherever you are, and let that breath go. Take another deep breath in, and let that one go. And just as with every breath that is new, every release is an opportunity to let go of anything that was in you that was taking up too much space. And with every new breath, more space is made. And every exhale, more is released. And so our breath really teaches us a lot about the cycle of receiving and giving and receiving, and how cyclical that is, and how through that process of giving and receiving, the commonality that is in the center is you. So in order to receive that breath, you are in the center of that. In order to release that breath, you are also in the center of that. So take another deep breath in when you're ready. And exhale, release. As you release, soften shoulders. Another inhale. And exhale, release, soften the face. Allow the eyes to close if that serves you. And allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm within you. Reminding you that you are alive and you are here. Continuing with your inhales and your exhales. Allowing each random thought to just float by in your mind like clouds. Finding softness in the face, in the brow, in the jaw, in the throat. Allowing yourself to find peace all the way from the crown of your head to your seat. And from your seat all the way to your feet. Connecting with whatever is beneath you, whatever supports you, whatever holds you where you are in space at this very moment. Take a nice full deep breath in and a full breath out. Allowing your breath to flow in its own natural rhythm. Connecting with the rhythm of your breath and also acknowledging the rhythm of your unique heartbeat. Notice you breathing. Notice you softening. You are well and you are boundaried for perfection. Your boundaries are your cloak of protection and safety. Your yes belongs to you. Your no belongs to you. Full breath in, full breath out. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. You are here. You are safe. Your words are like gold and honey to everyone that hears them. And for every word that is unsaid, and for every feeling that is unexpressed, take a full breath in and release. Take a full breath in and release. Take a full breath in, hold. You are well and boundaried. Release breath. Your yes belongs to you. Your no belongs to you. And you are whole. Placing a right hand on your heart and the left hand on your belly. Take a full breath in and a full exhale out. One more full breath in. You are well. And you are well boundaried. Your yes belongs to you. Your no belongs to you. Bring your hands to heart center. And I honor you as you honor yourself. Namaste.